All right, y'all. It's that time. I'm packing. I'm freaking packing. Now, you have to guess where I'm going. I'll tell you a list of items. Can't show you all of them, but I can show you a little bit. Let's show you a little bit here. Oh, come on. I was not prepared for this. Okay, so we got clothes. These are the clothes. We got binoculars. We have a lightweight Breeze Traveler. We have, I would say, probably similar to Bay Area-esque items. We have backpackers, meals. We have Cliff Bars. Let's just say that. Now, I also am bringing my camera gear. So that's this. I'm bringing, what the heck is that? Headphones. I'm bringing, what is it? I have my passport. And I have some other documentation that I cannot tell you too much about. But, yeah. I also brought my book. I brought my, I brought my medical records. And I'm charging up all my things right now as we speak. So with that information, you have to guess where I'm going. I am really excited, can tell you that. And I'm going to be there for 2 weeks. So 2 weeks in the books. So tonight, I'm not going to front. Might be a little bit of a shorty because I have been putting in 21 minutes into this video, but 21 minutes for much bigger things, packing, everything. So this is going to be quite the shorty, and you got to see what's going on. So come along with me. I'll bring you, and these next couple of days are going to be a wild ride, I will say. Definitely tomorrow's video is going to be super weird. Super weird. Because it's going to be a travel day for sure. So I'm going to be doing first week with work. And then second week will be not as much work. Like I'm going to be hybrid. So I'm going to do some work. So that's why it'll probably be limited to afternoons. And then second week I'm completely off. And then we'll vibe. We'll vibe where we are. So let's do this thing. I will see you tomorrow. I know it's 3 minutes, but I really have put in multiple hours into packing. And it's for the video. It's for the vibes. Put your comments on where you think I'm going on a whim. More to come.